Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is 64 Pontiac GTO and this is from Color Shifter series by Hot Wheels. So I don't know, I bought this for 30 ringgits or so, I don't remember it exactly. So I don't want to delay the unboxing of this one because it's been so long since I bought some color shifters for myself. So I want to unbox this one and the other two as soon as possible and see how it changes color. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, so out of the box, I don't know, man. The casting looks, it doesn't look really nice. You can see some issues here, paint job issue. Okay, so in some color shifter, that the body is usually plastic, but in this one, I can't able to. I don't know. It does look like plastic. Yeah, it is. It is plastic, I guess. Only the chassis is metal. Yeah, chassis does feel like metal a little bit. Okay, I'm not able to judge it. Okay, let's see other things. Okay, they have embossed headlights, nothing painted on it. So it does have this livery. This is going to change color when we put it in cold water. It doesn't have any tail light details. So again, I'm not really sure, but it does look like the body is fully plastic and the chassis is metal. So that's how it feels. Okay, I think this casting is from 2005. I mean, they use the same mold, it seems. Okay, it has wiper details and all. And so before we submerge this in water, let's do a weighing test. Let's weigh this car and then let's do a roll test and then we will do rest of the things. Okay. Okay, it weighs 29 grams, which is really nice. And let's do a roll test. It rolls good. Yeah, it reaches the end of the track. So if it is not getting grinded by side of the side rails of this track, it does reach the end of the track. I'm not sure how I can correct that because it is straight, but maybe I'll change the track once and see. I need to switch to a new track, it seems. Let's see. Yeah, but it rolls really well. If it doesn't have any wheel wobble or anything. The rims looks really nice. Okay, let's take the cold water first because I don't want to waste my mat here with water and all. Let me see if I can put something on top of that. Okay guys, here it is. So I have both cold water and warm water with me here. So good that warm water is not going to do any condensation, but the cold water is going to do that. So the bottom one, that sheet is actually that Hot Wheels fidget spinner. I don't know, I kept it somewhere. I bought only one. I opened it without doing any video because I was really excited to see how that they did fidget spinners. Okay, it changed to black color. Let me see if I can keep it a bit closer, and you guys can. Oh my god, I'm really sorry about the background noise, guys. So stray dogs, and I really can't do anything. See, lot of noise. I don't know. Someone actually entered this area. It seems. Okay, let me just take this out. I really don't want to pause the video because I really want to showcase the color changing things and everything. Okay. Okay. So it changed fully black with the detailing, the livery being green. It stayed green, that's it, it doesn't change any color there. So I really wish they went with some kind of, different color like red or, like green or purple, something like that. I don't know if that can be done with this, color changing memory thing. Okay, so that's it. nothing much here. Okay, let me just push this aside and let's bring in the warm water now and see whether it has any difference or it is just going to revert back to its original color. Yeah, it is just reverting back to its original color. That's it. I was wondering, it will, you know, change to a different color, but nothing. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do it one more time. Okay, that actually looks satisfying, when we do that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.